Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing doing our rigid What's Inside the Box series. Today we're working on our A series LED lights, and these are their quote-unquote low power series. They're made more for ambient light and not run your batteries down, so you can kind of use them inside trailers or on roll bars or whatever if you just want some nice ambient light and be able to leave it on for longer times without running your batteries down. They're still bright. Obviously 400 lumens is pretty good brightness per light, but they're just lower wattage. So, and this is what you get inside the box. You get obviously two lights, as you see here, with 10 ends on it there. You get multiple mounts per light, so it's kind of cool. This one's for a roll bar, and this one's for a flat surface. And then you get all the stainless steel hardware to screw these things into it, and then you use the 3M double-sided tape to attach that to the mount. So you could technically mount this to that to its own surface, or you can screw this into a surface, use that to attach to this, or if you have a bar mount, then you can mount it on the bar, attach that to that. Again, lots of options here on how to attach it, but it's a really nice kit. Give you some good illumination in and around your work area or your vehicle without drawing too much amperage off of the battery. Other than that, this is everything that is included in these lights. If you enjoyed our videos and you want to see more, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it for notifications when we make more videos. And please help support our channel. Just leave us some feedback. We appreciate all comments, positive, negative. And if you have any interest in purchasing rigid products, be sure to send us an email. We have coupon codes available to save you some money. And if you'd like to get a hold of us, you can do so through email, phone call, and obviously you can check out our website at hardracing.com.